Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with the girls, Riley,
Ella.
there it is. And we're doing some more unboxings today with the small items we get on shipments that we got nothing else to do with it. So they like doing videos and open them, do the unboxing, and get some cool toys they can give to their friends and stuff like that. So we're gonna start, get into it. Before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share us. They really enjoy doing it. Go ahead, do your magic.
Click that subscribe button. Okay.
Subscribe.
Give me a huge thumbs up.
There it is.
And hit the little notification.
And follow us.
There it is.
Share us.
All right, guys, ready?
Yeah.
Let's begin. Who goes first? Hit it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Ella, man, 2 for 2 today. All right, ready. First one. Breaker Creatures.
It's in the water.
It's a water one?
Yeah.
Huh, Breaker Creatures. All right, Riley.
Let me just open it.
How about this time we could do, you can trade it in. You get 2 trade-ins if you don't like the one you get.
Alright.
Boom. Roblox.
Oh, I want it.
Go. Roblox, Breaker Creatures. Quicker you get done, quicker you get another one.
Oh, I can't get this.
Oh my
Give it
goodness.
to me. I got this. I got this.
No,
Go.
you won't be able.
Got this Roblox, and it's like shaped in a box because you know it's.
Oh, you have to put this in the water.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness!
We don't have water.
The jail person.
It's okay, we'll do it when we're done.
I got.
Okay.
Hey, my turn.
We don't have water,
Here's
so we
the
can't
person
do
in the
that.
My
bag.
turn.
All right, Ella. Who wants the horse? You want to trade in?
No.
Okay. Dang, Ella got the horse. Waiting for Riley.
I can't get this open.
Who is this guy?
So, it's a
It's a jail
prisoner.
person.
Are you sure it's not like a hockey player?
It's
Not
a jail person.
a hockey player.
It kind of looks like a hockey player. Isn't that a hockey stick with him?
No.
What is it? A crowbar?
Yeah.
Why does a hocky player need a crowbar?
He isn't a hockey player.
So it's not a hockey player, it's a jail chick.
Yes, to break out of jail. Duh.
You should play Roblox or watch
Huh.
Roblox.
I do not play Roblox.
Who is
Or watch?
this?
I don't
watch
know.
a lot of people.
Done?
Oh,
Yes.
it's a baby.
Call it. All right, so we got this chick.
Oh, and I got
You
For
got
Spirit,
Mighty Morphin Power Ranger
for
Zord.
spirit. I got this horse.
All right. Ella,
Oh, I definitely got
Moj Moj or Maj Maj, the original.
The original
In a square.
series.
it. This is very heavy. I don't know
There could be
why.
something good in it, maybe gold. Could be gold.
That was easy.
That was easy. So you got your hockey player. I'm gonna keep calling it a hockey player.
Don't. It's a jailbreaker.
Here, start opening these, Dad.
What is it?
Flying backs.
Blind bags for what?
For the Power Rangers,
You have to build it?
I guess.
Huh. Oh no, it's a little character in there.
Oh, they're characters.
That's pretty
And then
cool.
it comes with all these stickers that I'm not going to
How do
put on.
Oh, that scared me. I was like, how do you open this? And then boom.
I don't even know what that is. That's another little character. Pretty cool.
Open.
Whatever these are.
Here, can you open this for me?
There's that.
Because I'm weak.
Oh, it's a pig.
Wait,
Alright.
let me see the pig. Oh my
And there's sparkles in it.
god! I want
Whole bunch of that little
Can I
thing.
feel it? Let me
You
feel
can
it.
only feel it.
Give me one of these, Dad. Reach
Yeah.
in and grab me one of those.
Look at it gets a little bed or something that they can
I
set
want
in.
one of those.
That's pretty cool. That's a little bit different. Alright.
Alright.
Waiting for the next person to
Wait,
say
should I-
done.
Done!
Done
Okay.
before you done.
Ella.
What?
O'Reilly gets this.
Minecraft.
Minecraft. Ella.
What?
Whoa, Barbie pets.
Yay, Barbie.
Barbie pets.
I want to trade it.
Trade in.
For what?
Randomness. Ready. Riley. trades in. Whatever, How to Train Your Dragon.
Oh, okay.
Okay. How many trade-ins did we say you get to do? 3?
Two.
Two trade-ins. Okay.
And she got one and I didn't do any, so.
So you still got 2 more trade-ins. What?
It's so cute! Look at its big beady eyes!
I see. It's like how close you were just to my face.
Oh, she's a little kitty.
Done! Done!
Done. Alright, Riley. Speaker creatures. It's gonna be like that again, isn't it? You have to put them in water.
Yeah, can I trade in again?
Last trade in. Okay. Riley. Jojo Seawall. Jojo Seawall.
Sequin pillow keychain.
Oh, and I got this dog and this kitty.
I'm gonna say Ella's winning right now.
She
The
is.
cool toys. Ella, done?
Yep.
Okay. Ella gets Lucky Fortune. I've never heard of this. Lucky Fortune.
Look at this! Oh, I love this! I'm gonna put this in my backpack.
Okay, Riley, done?
Yeah. I have a big junk pile.
Ready Robot.
Make slime.
Ready to Robot. What is that? I've never seen that before.
I think you're supposed to, like...
Let me finish opening. You got it.
I got it. You're supposed to crack it like the...
Okay,
Lucky
what's inside?
Fortune,
Weapon
too.
and slime powder.
Let's crack it.
What could it be?
It's a bracelet.
Oh, a little bracelet. Whatever these fortune cookies, stupid little cheap things. What are
See,
that?
it's a little bracelet.
Cheap bracelet. I'm not gonna.
Alright,
I'm not
done.
gonna recommend that one.
Done.
All right, done. Riley or Ella. Mystery goo.
Ryan.
Ryan. Pick 2 that time. It's probably just
we need
slime.
a chisel.
It's
I'm gonna
slime.
I
I
need
love
a chisel. Where'd
I'm
that
gonna
chisel
open it
at?
up.
Really? You're gonna chisel?
Yes.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
feel it.
You want me to do it?
Feel it. It's not
Wait, let me-
sticky.
Ooh.
It's not.
What
I
is
want
it?
a Ryan.
It's
Oh,
slime.
this is
It's not
amazing.
sticky.
Here, chisel.
Chisel.
So-
Start opening. Roblox.
So I got this.
They don't give you anything to chisel with? How are you supposed to chisel? Like, how many people actually have a chisel to chisel with?
We just have a chisel in our basement.
Please don't use a chisel, kids.
Yeah, kids. Don't use a chisel.
Okay, I can't get this open.
Try.
I can't.
This slime's actually pretty cool. Oh my gosh, it came out.
Man, this chiseling is gonna take forever.
Look, I took it all out. Riley, want to feel it all?
Just wait.
Let me.
I got another Roblox character.
Oh, it's so cold, it's so cold, it's so good. Cold.
Man, it still isn't coming out.
It's fine. It's
What is it? I can't tell.
This?
Yeah. What is it?
I don't know.
Is there anything you can?
Ready to robot.
Here, can you open this for me? I can.
Oh, do you want to feel all the slime?
That's just some nastiness. I don't even want to see
No,
it.
it's not sticky.
You know what's
I got
gonna
a
happen
gun.
when your mom sees
Pew
that stuff?
pew.
She's gonna
Pew.
flip out.
It's not sticky.
All right, another Roblox character. It's another hockey player.
I'm already
not-
done. I'm done.
Rumble.
Ella's done. All right,
Yo.
randomness.
Oh, I love these.
Flip-a-zoo.
I
Flip-a-zoo.
finished. And here's this character. I don't know if I put them right together, but
Riley. Ninja something.
oh, it's
Ninja
that
mystery surprise.
YouTuber Ninja.
So I
I don't think it's is it? Puh!
got
She
a
knows
hippo,
way more than me.
And
I
then it
watched
flips
Max
in-
Scener. He was on it.
I got a hippo, and then it flips into a giraffe.
How cool is that?
Oh, and there's more.
All right, ready? Who's my next one?
And then I got a
Nothing?
rhino.
There's nothing in it.
This is an empty
I
one.
got a rhino, and then there's a tiger.
All right.
I get 2 more
Whoever
because
gets done first. Barbie
then-
Dreamtopia.
I'm done. I
Mashing.
finished.
Go.
Pick something big. Pick something big.
Pick the big. Give me a cheat. Give me what?
Pick something big.
I'll send you something
Something
really
big.
good.
Pick something big.
Give her something really bad.
Something big.
What about Peppa Pig? Peppa Pig.
She's like,
You got 2 trade-ins.
I mean, I don't want to trade.
Okay.
Fine.
No, you already started.
Now you're gonna start all the way.
Okay. And you get num noms.
Yay!
Num noms.
Wonder what this one's gonna be.
Who knows?
Boop boop. Ooh.
Who's that? Never heard of her.
I don't know who she is, but she's a mermaid.
Okay.
Dance.
Ella.
I finished.
Who is it?
I got a
I finished.
All right, Riley.
Yeah, I got a cookie.
Another loot box. I have 2
Loot
loot
box.
boxes.
All right.
Let me go get
Loot
that
box.
loot box.
Pick some.
Look, this is my first loot box I ever got.
Squish Demo. Squish them.
I have
Squish
2
Delish.
loot boxes.
Sure, I'll.
I got some guns.
Just
Ella,
squish.
I already have a loot box, so here's a loot box for your toys.
Whoa, you get your own little loot box. They both have a
But
loot
I get
box.
to keep the toys.
Caring is sharing.
Oh, and look, I got a little gooey guy.
All right, one more each.
Yeah.
Is that what we're going for?
Some guns in a backpack.
Like
All right,
blue.
Fortnite box. I don't even know if there's anything in it, but it's a cool. It's a different box.
Yeah, I get 2 for that. Oh my. I got some metal.
You pick 3.
More
All right,
guns.
so you have a Marvel
Metal.
Mash'ems, PJ
and
Mask,
Fortnite things.
or beans. Pick wisely.
2 Fortnite boxes.
Captain Marvel.
I want Captain. I want another one.
Okay, Riley, Ella's taking
I
two
trade
more.
that in. Trade that
Okay, trade in. Okay, pick 2 more. You can pick from.
Captain Marvel.
Okay, a Pop Teenies or another Lollipops.
Lollipop.
Lollipops it is. So last one, what's it gonna be?
Sorry, I tore off your ear, but I had to. What? I tore off your ear.
I know, now you can't hear nothing.
I got a little.
Oh, that one is super cute.
I'm so slow.
Look at he gets a lollipop. That's a cool lollipop.
Let's see if he
I can't
does
get this
some cool
open.
stuff. Oh!
How come he doesn't go? Maybe the battery's dead.
Oh wait, it wasn't all the way.
Oh, go little
no, no,
lollipop.
no, that's right.
All right, so what's gonna be?
Look.
Ew, that's nasty.
What? I just put my lollipop in.
So your lollipop dude was pretty cool, and then yours, need help?
Just
Yeah, I got it. I got
Okay.
it.
I was hoping it's a green guy because he's my
I
favorite.
know he's really funny, but I got Captain Marvel.
Hey, look.
Yeah.
There's
That's nasty.
slime.
You just throw that nastiness away.
No.
All right, so that's what we got for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. They enjoy going through it, having fun, and a lot of toys for their friends
No,
and stuff
I'm
to hand
sticking.
out. So make sure to subscribe, share, like us, and then check out our other videos for this type of stuff and actual unboxings through the company. So we appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.